Okay, friends, so what letter have we been learning about?
I.
The letter I. Yes, and I said friends, so that means everybody can answer, right? Okay, now shh. What kind of I is this? Uppercase or capital I? And friends, what kind of I is this? Yes, when I say friends, everybody can say it. No, everybody can say it. What is it? And this is capital I. Very good. Now I want you to touch your nose if you know what sound the letter I makes. Touch your nose if you know it.
I know it.
Do you remember what sound the letter I makes, Oliver? Do you know what sound the letter I makes? Okay, that's close. Let's get another friend. What sound does the letter I make? It says, not it says I, and there's another sound. The I is the long sound. What is the other sound it makes? Short I sound. Very good. Give yourself a kiss on the brain. Give yourself a kiss on the brain. So the I says I. Everybody say I. And the I says it. Right. So we are going to make some ice cream. Say ice cream. For the letter I. Because you hear I in ice cream. Touch your head if you hear I in ice cream. Cameron, do you hear I in ice cream?
Yeah.
Touch your head if you hear I in ice cream. Scarlett, do you hear it? Okay, hands down. Now, here's my rules. If you're being a really good listener, you're going to get to make your very...
ice cream right there.
There's ice cream right there, you're right. On the wall, right? Okay, shh. If you're being really good listeners, you will get to make your own bag of ice cream. If we're having a pouty face and a pouty attitude, we're not going to get to do it. We have a happy attitude and a happy face, we're all going to get to make our own bag of ice cream. So let me show you how we're going to do that. Do you know what you call the things we use to make recipes or foods?
I know.
It also starts with the letter I. They're called
Interesting.
Oh, that's a great word. These are interesting, but they are called ingredients. Everybody say ingredients.
Ingredients.
So these are the ingredients I need. I need sugar. This is sugar.
I like sugar.
I need salt. We're going to need some salt. So this is sea salt in a container, and this is iodized salt. Then we need, this is called vanilla. Can you say vanilla? Vanilla extract. A lot of people use this for cooking. And then we need milk. And we need ice. Another word that begins with the letter I. Ice. You hear it? Ice. And then these are all ingredients. I'm going to put the ingredients in a bag, okay? So I'm going to put all my ingredients in. I'm going to take a half a cup of milk. So this is measured for a half a cup. So I'm going to fill this up. I'm going to stick it in there. See? Then I'm going to stick.
I don't see it.
I'll bring it a little lower, but don't breathe on it, okay? Stay in your seats. Stay in your seats. I'll bring it to you. I'll put it in front of your eyes.
I want to see.
Don't breathe on it. Okay, so I'm going to pour the milk.
I didn't see.
You're going to get to see it closer when you make your own bag. This is just me showing you how we're going to do it when we do it with you. Okay, so we're going to pour the milk in there. After the milk, I'm going to put 1/2 of a teaspoon. So this is a teaspoon. Is this bigger or smaller? This is smaller. This is bigger. This is smaller. So we don't need as much. We need a lot of milk, but not as much vanilla extract, right? So I'm gonna pour that in here.
I don't see it.
I gotta be very careful so it doesn't spill.
I
Again,
saw it.
don't breathe on it, don't breathe on it. I told you it's gonna spill, it's spilling a little bit, but that's okay. I still have most of it. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this in the bag too. This is another ingredient, vanilla extract. What is it called?
Vanilla extract.
Very nice, Scarlett. Vanilla extract.
It smells yummy.
Then we're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons.
I like it. And then sugar. And then sugar.
So this is a tablespoon. You see this? Yes, the sugar. That's gonna make it taste.
And sugar.
How's it gonna make it taste? It's
Good.
gonna make it taste sweet. Okay? When you make your own, I'm gonna let you taste a little bit, lick a little bit of sugar and lick a little bit of salt, and we'll see how one is sweet and one is sour. This is gonna make it taste sweet. So I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons. So here's 1 tablespoon. I filled it all the way up. I'm gonna pour it in there, and then I'm gonna do 1/2. So this time I'm only putting 1/2 of it in there.
I don't see
And
it.
you'll see, if you didn't see it really good, you'll see it when we do it with you one at a time, okay?
I saw it.
Then after that, I can close this, and I'm gonna make sure all the air is out when I close it. So I'm gonna squeeze it, and then I'm gonna tighten the bag. We have to make sure it's sealed. If it's not sealed, that'll be really bad, because then it'll just fly everywhere. Okay, now look at this liquid. When you're cooking, you would describe this as thin. Can you say thin? Oh, Sanchi. Okay, now I'm gonna take that. My next step is to put ice
And
in
there. The bag.
the bag. The next thing I'm gonna do is put salt in here. Now the reason we're gonna put salt in here is because the salt is going to make it get the ice. It's already cold. Can you touch it?
Oh,
See how cold it is?
Ah, cold.
Yeah.
It's not cold to me. It's not.
Touch it?
It's not.
Touch it.
It's not. It's not.
But this salt is gonna make the ice get even colder. When you put salt with ice, it gets even colder. So I'm gonna put 6 of these. 1.
I'm gonna put it in the bag.
Alex, you're my helper. Can you hold this bag open?
Very good, Donovan. Oh, friends.
Oh, scoot back.
Scoot back, friends.
Okay.
I can
2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5. Sorry, Alex. 6. Oh my gosh. Now,
That was 6.
that's a lot of salt in there. Last step is all my ingredients are now together. I stick it in this bag,
And close it.
close it. What do you think I'm gonna do next? You know what I'm gonna do next?
I know.
Take a guess. What do you think I'm gonna do with it next?
You're
Is
gonna.
it ice cream yet? No, it's not ice cream. What am I gonna do?
You're gonna open the bag and close it. And close it. Actually. And you're gonna fill it.
And yet, that's not gonna make it turn to. That's not gonna make it turn to ice cream though.
Now.
How am I gonna get it to turn to ice cream?
I know. You have to wait.
Just, oh, that's a good guess. Wait till it gets cold enough that it turns to ice cream. That's a very good guess. But we're actually going to shake it. And remember how I said it's thin? We're gonna shake it. We're gonna shake this bag and we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it until it thickens. When it thickens, it's ice cream. That's how you make ice cream. What letter does ice cream start with? Remember, the first thing I did is put all my ingredients. I put in all my ingredients. Then what did I do?
You
Shake it. last?
We're going to
Eat the ice cream. Good job, friends.